Hello friends, in this welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will discuss an important topic, that is exemptions and deductions available under the new tax regime. I am trying to cover all the exemptions and deduction in Finance Act 2024 in this Income Tax Act, which is available in new tax regime. Friends, before we start, as I say, I am trying to cover all the aspects, okay? But in case in any deduction or exemption I forget to cover, please put put the comment in my comment box so that I will cover in next video if it's numbers, or otherwise you guys can manage. Okay, because I will try to cover maximum number of exemption or deduction in new tax regime. Okay, first deduction is for, that is standard deduction. I hope it's clear that standard deduction you will get 75,000 deduct rupees for, it's for salaries and pensioners, for salaries and pensioners. Okay, second important deduction is NPS contribution. NPS contribution, that is 14% of basic plus DA, but it's subject to 80 CCE, that is rupees 1.5 lakhs. I hope I hope you understand, guys. The deduction is available under section 80 CCD2. Okay, I will try to cover the section number of the deduction that will be helpful for you. Next is allowances. Under this, first allowance is eligible to, you can claim, that is in new tax regime, that is daily allowance. Second is conveyance allowance. Okay, its actual basis. Third is, third important is transport allowance. Transport allowance, it's up to rupees 3,200 for disabled disabled per employee. Okay. Fourth, uniform allowance. I hope it's clear. Another four. Another important uh, deduction or exemption is that interest on home loan. Only in its conditions, I put the write down the conditions, is that only on let out properties, not self owned. Okay, the deduction amount is equal to rent amount. If your rent is 80 and interest on home loan is 100, one second, interest on home loan is 100, then rupees 80 is eligible. Okay, rest rupees 20, no set off, no carry forward. I hope it's clear very much for you guys. Another important donation deduction under section 80G, 80GGC and 80GGA. I hope it's clear. Okay. Sixth, retirement benefits. Retirement benefits. Gratuity for that I hope you know that for private sector, private sec- employees up to 20 lakhs, one second, 20 lakhs, or for government employee fully exempt. I hope it's clear very much for you guys. Another is encashment. Leave encashment for private or non-government employee. Okay, it's better to call them non-government employee up to rupees 25 lakhs, and for government employee exempt, fully exempt. Seventh, sorry, retirement. It's I cover that, and another is VRS. VRS is up to rupees 5 lakhs. It's clear very much. Another seventh important exemption is that PPF interest. Okay, PPF interest. Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana. Eighth, agricultural income fully exempt. Interest on tax free bonds exempt. Inheritance of property exempt. Gifts received from MRD, marriage relative, death. 12, up, that's up to, sorry, it's gifts from non-relative up to rupees 50K. Okay, now 12th, deduction under section 80 JJAA. It's provide additional deduction with to businessmen with respect to certain conditions to businessmen. 13th, 80CCH2. What is that? Agnivir Corpus Fund. Family pension. Family pension. One third of family pension amount, or rupees 25,000 lower. Okay, and certain LIC maturity amount exempt. Condition, you know that premium, I guess 10% of sum assured. Kindly confirm the percentage. It's 10 or 50 maybe. Okay, I think it's 10. Please check once. Okay. Basically, in this video or in this yeah, now today I cover it just a ready reference for you guys. Okay, ready reference of what? Of all exemption or deduction under new tax regime, which is allowed under new tax regime only. Okay, only means it's also in old tax regime, but it's specifically allow in new tax regime also. Because as we know, there is certain foundation to claim exemption or deduction in new tax regime, that is not, which is not allowed. Basically, most of the deduction which allowed in it old scheme, such deductions are not allowed in new tax regime. To clear the confusion and make a ready reference for that, I prepare this small context for you guys. So it will be help to file ITR of your clients, of your family, and it's a ready reference for you guys. I hope it's help you. If you have any query regarding that, kindly text me and kindly let me know. And if any deduction I left to cover in this video, kindly let me know in comment box, because we all are human beings. Thank you, friends.